Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure battery levels are adequate and proximity is close, because range matters. Open Settings and turn Bluetooth on. This enables scanning and radio negotiation. Once done, put the target device into pairing or discoverable mode, often a long press or blinking LED, so your host can see it. This step sets up the handshake, so make sure the device shows a recognizable name before you move on to scanning and connecting. Now you scan for nearby devices and pick the correct name from the list. This starts the handshake. Select the device, then verify any PIN or numeric code. Matching codes confirm your pairing with the right partner. If prompted, accept permission requests for contact sync or media access, because those permissions determine what the device can do. If it's a secure accessory, you might need to enter a code manually. Otherwise, wait for the connected state to appear before testing audio or data. Finish by confirming the device shows as connected and then test its primary function, play audio, send a file, or check controls to ensure full operation. If it fails, troubleshoot stepwise. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot the phone or accessory, then repeat pairing. If problems persist, forget the device in settings and repair or reset network settings as a last resort. This clears bad profiles and often solves stubborn pairing conflicts, so your device can connect reliably.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.